Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi's Cycle Service. Proverbs 27:17. Iron sharpens iron, so one man sharpens another. So today I want to talk to you about Forged Brotherhood Motorcycle Club. The who, the what, the where, the why, the how, all that good stuff. So now that we've been up and running for about 6-7 months, I figure it's a great time to do an update and give you some information on what's going on with Forged Brotherhood Motorcycle Club, what we're all about, and what's the skinny. If you're new here to Yogi Cycle Service, I thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. Here at Yogi Cycle Service, we do service, we do maintenance, we do repairs, show you ways to save money, anything motorcycle related. We talk about club stuff or we talk about Yogi stuff. So if you like this video, I ask you to surf around my channel, check out some of my other videos, and hey, if you like what you see, give a brother some love, hit that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by and checking out this video and supporting everything we've done with Forged Brotherhood Motorcycle Club, because it is near and dear to my heart. Who, what, where, when, why, how. So Forged Brotherhood currently right now is chartered. Our mother charter is based out of North Carolina. Our mother charter, we call ourselves the Dogwood Crew. We do have 3 other states in addition to North Carolina that is currently in the process of trying to get their rights to fly. I'm not going to mention what names of those states are because I don't want to hinder their ability to get the rights to fly, but there are 3 other states that are currently working with us, working with the mother charter, trying to get themselves up and running, get them established as charters. And as soon as they charter up and get the rights to fly, I'll let you know what those states are. But for now, I'm just going to keep that in the down low because, hey, that's club business. So for right now, this very moment, North Carolina is the primary state. From East Coast to West Coast, from north to south, we cover the entire state. We have men across the footprint of North Carolina. No, we do not have individual charters. We right now are just one main charter in North Carolina of Forged Brotherhood Motorcycle Club. We are a 3-piece Christian MC. One of the things we do is honor and respect a lot of the traditions that the older MCs have put in place and have handed down through the generations. You know, we are not just going to sew a patch on our back and go say, hey, here we are. No, we're going to do the right thing. If that means that our guys who are trying to start up their states go out into the community and support the motorcycle club community as what we call a slick back, meaning you have a vest on that has no club affiliation patches on it, then that's what they're going to do. And do the work to earn and get the rights to fly. We're not just going to go out and start planting flags. We're going to do it the right way. We're going to work for it. We're going to earn it. And what do I mean by putting in work? That means going to toy runs and supporting clubs in their toy runs. That means going to poker runs, supporting their clubs in poker runs. That means going to clubhouses, spending money at the clubhouse, buying t-shirts, buying hats, buying swag, buying drinks at the bar, buying sodas at the bar. Going to the bike nights, going to the open houses, doing what we need to do to get in front of the people to show them that, hey, we're here to help. We're here to support you. But our mission statement, to glorify God by building spiritually mature men to send out into the motorcycle club world. Simple. We're going to work internally on ourselves first, working at building godly men so we can go out and bring Christ to the clubs as a Christian MC. We're not going to pretend to be somebody we're not. We are a neutral MC. We do not affiliate. We do not wear any support gear or any support patches of any other clubs other than our club. So one of the things that we really, as I said, focus on is that motorcycle club community. You know, breaking down the stereotypes of all bikers are bad guys. If we're out there doing these runs, supporting the community, working with these other clubs in the community, we're trying to help improve the image of the community. Even being 6 months old, have already partnered with other clubs in doing poker runs, in doing community events. We're working on a community event with another club right now as we speak. So we don't mind working with other clubs. We just will remain a neutral club. You saw me this summer post up a video about a community service project we did. In addition to that, we've done feeding the homeless with the Hellfighters and the orphan run, supporting orphans. So even in this short little 6-month window, we have been very active. So who, what, where, when, why, and how. So I've told you about the who. Dogwood Crew. Told you about the what. What do? We get out in the community. We work with other clubs. The when. So we started up officially we chartered it up in June of this year in the mountains of North Carolina. Let's kind of take a quick little sneak peek of what membership looks like. First and foremost, there are a few things that we don't allow in our club. We do not allow police officers in our club, and we don't allow anybody with any kind of sexual predator offenses in our club, because we are a family-friendly club, and I don't want any of that around my family. Police officers, why don't we allow police officers? Well, because we go into clubhouses, and frankly, police officers and clubhouses, they just don't really blend together all that well, so it's just best not to allow police officers in our organization. There are plenty of other organizations, any other motorcycle clubs, they can go find another one. We're just not going to have any police officers, retired or current, anybody with arresting authority, don't allow it in our club. We do background checks, and we do our best to make sure that those two things do not become members of our club. As far as anyone else is concerned, we are open to any Christian. Doesn't matter what your denomination is. I don't care if you're Catholic. I don't care if you're Protestant. I don't care if you're Baptist. I don't care if you're Pentecostal. It does not matter. Tin and copper put together and beaten until it becomes one metal bronze. Now that's our colors, bronze and black. So just like it's a blending of two different metals into one, our club is blended of many different types of denomination, men of different denominations into one club. We do have a hang around period where you will hang around our club for a certain amount of time. If it looks like we like you and you like us, then we can move into a prospecting phase. Prospecting phase is a minimum of 6 months. So it'll take you at least 6 months to go through a prospect phase. And as a prospector, you'll be expected to do prospect things. That could be when we have runs. That could be stocking the drinks, serving the food, or whatever a prospect is required to do to put in work to earn his patches. You'll be required to make out-of-state runs. You'll be required to make in-state runs. You'll be required to go to the events, to be present, and to be putting in the work, and just frankly showing that you want to be a brother in this club. The prospecting time does not take forever, but that's usually some of your best memories in joining a club. So I encourage you to really enjoy that time period as a prospect. So we are open to all walks of Christian faith. As far as motorcycles are concerned, we just ask you to have something, probably you might want to have a 1,000 cc's or bigger. It can be a sport bike, it can be a metric bike, it can be a cruiser bike, it can be a Harley, it can be non-Harley. I don't care. I just want you to be able to keep up with the pack. So I would say probably something 1,000 cc's or bigger. So we do not discriminate membership based upon what kind of motorcycle you ride. We are not a mandatory club because we believe in God, family, work, club in that order. So because of that, we don't have mandatory events, but we do have events that we really expect you to be there on. And they're put on the calendar far enough out that there's really no reason why you shouldn't be there. So there's plenty of opportunity to be as active as you really wish to be. So if you're looking for a Christian MC, the camaraderie that we have built is like nothing I have ever seen before. And I am just really excited. I mean, it's incredible in the past 6 months, the things that we've done and how much we've grown. In that time period, we had to come up with a club name, make sure nobody else was using it, club colors, make sure nobody else was using it, design all the patches, make all the patches, prop ourselves up, get everything financially in order, bank accounts, PayPal, emails, get all that up and running. And the biggest thing, the most exciting thing that I have is our website, which we just went live with today. Our website. Now, it's kind of premature in me talking about our website, but if you go to forgebrotherhoodmc.com, that's our website address. It is a skeleton right now that we're getting ready to put all the meat on. But it's a start. It's a start. And to think that we've already done the orphan run, we've already done a poker run to help raise Chile some money. We've done another poker run for Blue Ridge Motorcycle Campground. We've done a bro weekend down East Run. We did a bro weekend up in the mountains. There's 5 or 6 major events that we've pulled off already in just this 6 months since we chartered. That's incredible. That is amazing. But that shows the work that my brothers and I have put in to get this club up and running. If you are interested in Forge Brotherhood Motorcycle Club, there's a contact us on the website, but also on our Facebook page, Forge Brotherhood MC. If you search that, there's a contact us. If this is something that you may be interested in, I encourage you to reach out there. Hey, just have some conversations. Just because you reach out doesn't mean that you're committing your life to us. It just means you're reaching out and going, hey, tell me more. And if I can get more of these questions coming in off our page, you're also free. My information is below in the comments. You're also free to reach out directly to me too. If I get more questions coming in off the Facebook page, then hey, maybe I'll make some more videos to try to answer some more questions. But there in a nutshell is who we are and what we're about, what we're trying to do, how we're trying to fit in, where we're doing it at, and what we're all about. So I appreciate you stopping by and checking out this video, Yogi Clan. I hope you have an awesome day. I thank you for the support. Check out our website. Just know it's work in progress. I'm still working on it. I'll be doing more work on it tomorrow, getting more information on there. So thank you, Yogi Clan. I hope you have an awesome week. I'll catch you on the next one. All right, y'all. Peace.